Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put brick pavers down. We'll start by planning your project, which is crucial for a successful outcome. Begin by clearly marking the area where your pavers will go. Then, you'll need to excavate the soil to a depth of about 6 to 8 inches, depending on your paver thickness and base layers. Remember to establish a slight slope, about 1/4 inch per foot, for effective water drainage. Next, we focus on building a strong foundation for your pavers. Lay down a geotextile fabric to separate the soil from your base material. Then, add 4 to 6 inches of crushed gravel, compacting it in 2-inch lifts for maximum stability. On top of this, spread a 1-inch layer of bedding sand, carefully screeding it to a perfectly level surface. Finally, install your edge restraints to prevent any lateral movement of the pavers. Now comes the exciting part, laying the pavers. Start in a corner and work your way across, following your chosen pattern. Ensure you maintain consistent spacing between each paver for uniform joint lines. Gently tap each paver into the bedding sand using a rubber mallet to set it firmly. Continuously check your work with a long straight edge and a level to ensure a perfectly flat and even surface across the entire area. For the final steps, we'll secure your beautiful new paver surface. Begin by sweeping polymeric sand into all the joints between your pavers, ensuring they are completely filled. Then, lightly mist the entire area with water to activate the polymeric sand, which will harden and lock the pavers in place. Allow the sand to cure fully, usually for about 24 hours. For added protection and to enhance the color, you might consider applying a paver sealer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.